Children singing merrily, carols till my ears are bleeding. Christmas, at Christmas. Strangers and their looks of glee, smiling at you stupidly. At Christmas, at Christmas. Shopping in December is delightful if you're into people acting spiteful. Precious children with their lists, it's pure unbridled avarice. At Christmas, at Christmas. Spend the whole year saving cash and then you blow it out your ass. At Christmas,
Have a fabulous day.
Thank you so much. Take care.
people laugh and say that I am crazy. They talk about how Christmas is amazing. They're all stressed and they're all broke. Sometimes I think it's all a joke. We laugh it off and say it must be Christmas. All these lights are such a thrill, and so is the electric bill. At Christmas, Christmas. Bing Crosby is a liar who roasts chestnuts on a fire. At Christmas, Christmas. A tree.
Oh, that looks so sick. Is it cool?
Yeah, it's very cool.
This is so illegal.
A tree inside a living room is crazy. Branches drying near a fire blazing. You can go and pick your tree, but you can't pick your family. At Christmas, at Christmas. Uncle Jeff is drinking gin, he's puking in the popcorn tin. At Christmas, at Christmas. Politics, religion at the table. Now you're telling me you don't have cable. Nothing else can give me fits like presents bought by idiots. At Christmas, Christmas. Ties and socks so terrible, and sweaters only wearable. At Christmas, Christmas. Dress it up and call it a tradition. I prefer a Yuletide demolition. Everyone is awkward here, and we just call it Christmas cheer. So let's all have another beer. It's Christmas. So don't you play your Christmas songs until December comes along. Oh, why was baby Jesus born on Christmas?
I told her to gun it, and that's her idea of gunning it. Unbelievable.